plant life cycle. Let's understand their growth and reproduction. This amazing process is called the plant life cycle. The life cycle of a plant begins with a seed. When a seed gets water, air, and warmth, it starts to grow. This stage is called germination. A small root grows downwards into the soil and a shoot grows upwards. Next, the young plant grows into a seedling. The plant develops leaves and begins making its own food through photosynthesis. With enough sunlight, water, and nutrition, the plant continues to grow stronger. Then comes the adult plant stage. The plant produces flowers, which helps in reproduction. After pollination and fertilization, flowers form fruits that contains new seeds. Finally, the seeds are dispersed by wind, water, or animals. These seeds can grow into new plants and the cycle begins again. In short, the plant life cycle shows how plants grow, reproduce, and continue life on earth.